Hello, everyone. The title of this talk might sound like a confession or a cautionary tale, but I want you to see it as a blueprint for the future of our roles. We often talk about AI as a tool for solving discrete problems, classification, regression, generation. But what happens when you string these tools together to automate the entire workflow of a core job function? Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how I identified a high-value, repetitive component of my work, designed an autonomous AI agent to handle it, and, in the process, fundamentally reshaped my role from a hands-on practitioner to a system orchestrator. This isn't about replacing ourselves. It's about elevating our impact by automating the mundane, allowing us to focus on the complex, creative, and strategic problems that truly require human intelligence. Let's begin. So, what was this job I automated? Every Monday, my team was responsible for generating a comprehensive performance analysis report for a dozen key machine learning models in production. This involved pulling data from multiple sources like Snowflake and Prometheus, running dozens of ad hoc queries, generating visualizations in Matplotlib, and then manually writing a narrative summary in Confluence. It was a 4 to 6 hour process of pure toil. The steps were well-defined but tedious. There were constant context switching and a high potential for copy-paste errors. The value was in the final insight, but 90% of the effort was just laborious data aggregation and boilerplate writing. This combination of being rule-based yet cognitively demanding made it a perfect candidate for automation. It was a classic case where the core logic was repeatable, but the interpretation required nuanced understanding, a challenge tailor-made for modern AI. My solution was not a single script. It was an autonomous agent built on a few core components. First, an orchestrator, in my case, an AWS Lambda function triggered on a schedule. Its only job is to kick off the workflow and pass parameters. The orchestrator calls a series of specialized tool-using functions. These are sandboxed Python functions with specific capabilities. One to query Snowflake, one to hit the Prometheus API, another to generate plots. The real intelligence is the core agent, which is powered by a large language model, specifically GPT-4, through its API. The agent receives the initial goal: generate the weekly performance report. It then autonomously decides which tools to call, in what sequence, and with what arguments based on the task. Critically, all relevant context, past reports, metric definitions, interpretation guidelines, is embedded and retrieved using a RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, pattern from a vector database. This prevents hallucination and ensures the narrative is grounded in our specific operational reality. The LLM isn't just writing, it's reasoning and executing a plan. Now, letting an AI agent run wild in a production environment is a recipe for disaster. The most critical, non-obvious part of this system is the human-in-the-loop verification step. The agent doesn't publish the final report directly. Instead, it generates a draft and creates a pull request in GitHub containing the report markdown and all associated data and plots. This PR is assigned to me. My role shifts from creator to reviewer. I spend 15 minutes verifying the data, checking the AI's reasoning, and ensuring the narrative tone is correct. If I find a mistake or a poorly phrased insight, I correct it directly in the PR. This is the crucial feedback loop. On merging the PR, a webhook fires off another function that takes my corrected version and uses it to fine-tune the model's future prompts or update the vector database with the superior example. The system doesn't just work, it learns from my expertise with every single run, becoming progressively more accurate and reliable over time. So, did I automate myself out of a job? Absolutely not. I transformed my job. The 6 hours I spent on manual reporting are now 15 minutes of high-leverage review. That reclaimed time is now spent on work that was previously impossible. I'm focused on designing new automation agents, improving the core capabilities of our AI toolkit, and conducting deep, exploratory analysis that the weekly report could never cover. My value is no longer in my ability to execute a repetitive task. My value is in my ability to design, manage, and scale intelligent systems. For everyone here, students, scientists, and engineers, this is the paradigm shift. Stop thinking of yourselves as just users of tools. Start thinking of yourselves as the architects and shepherds of autonomous systems. The goal isn't to be the fastest query writer. The goal is to build the machine that writes all the queries for you. Thank you.